Hey everyone, welcome back to the TechPoth channel, your go-to source for WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to safely reset your WordPress database in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to start fresh or resolve some issues, I've got you covered. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about why you might want to reset your WordPress database. Here are some common reasons: starting fresh, fixing issues, or cleaning up, like to remove unwanted themes, plugins, and settings. Whatever your reason, I'll walk you through this step by step. But be careful, a reset will erase all your content and settings, so make sure you've backed up your site first. First things first, back up your site. I recommend using plugins like Updraft Pluses or All-in-One WP Migration. Now, to reset your database, we need a special tool. One of the best plugins for this is the WP Reset plugin. Install this WP Reset plugin by click to the Install Now button. Now, click to activate. After activation, go to Tools, then click to WP Reset option. You'll see several options, but for now, we'll focus on a simple reset. Here's the important part. Scroll down to the Reset Database section. You'll see a text box labeled, here type the reset text, into the field and confirm to reset database. Make sure you want to do this, because there's no going back after this step unless you restore a backup. Now, type the reset word into this field box, for confirming the reset option. Click to Reset Site button. After the reset, your WordPress installation will be as good as new. All plugins, themes, and settings are gone, but the WP Reset plugin will remain activated, so you can quickly reinstall your themes or restore a backup if needed. And that's it. You've successfully reset your WordPress database. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to TechPoth for more WordPress tutorials. And if you have any questions or need help, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help.